So I would first wish you a very happy 77th Republic Day. So teachers, parents, whoever present here, as a management of Kakatiya, heartfelt congratulations that your students did well. More than 88 participants in speeches, including Telugu, Hindi and English. Some new students, some old students. Those who have participated, they did excellent. Some of the students, they got stumbled, they get some stammering, but they did well. So I congratulate each and every student, those who have participated in speeches. And the fact that we have to accept, the students, they performed well on the stage in dances. Excellent performances by all the students. Give them a big round of applause. Claps. And still it's taking time, but prize distribution is left over. No need to worry, we'll distribute all the prizes. The participants in the games, they won some prizes, first and second. So I request parents, be patient for some time. For some time you have to wait. Why? Because we have medals for the students. And 77th Republic Day will, I'll have a brief note about an Independence and Republic Day. So Independence Day we got freedom, and Republic Day we got a plan to rule our nation. So likewise, so as an individual, as a citizen of India, so as an individual, if we think, so we are struggling for existence of our life, maybe in job, maybe as a person, as a personality, as a citizen, whatever it may be. So we are in struggle of existence. So in our existence, we may get up and downs. Yes, success and failures. So if you compare as independence and republic, so an individual who got birth and who is struggling for existence is moving towards success. So he got independence, is free from his education, and he is going in his journey to get success. In that way, we may get up and downs, I said. So apart from that, if we have a plan to rule ourselves, not others, to rule ourselves. So plan means how to plan to get success. Means first thing where we are failing means we don't have any plan in our journey. So independence is a process where we got freedom, but republic is nothing but how to rule our country. We got a set of rules. That is Constitution, written by a great personality, father of Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar sir. So the Constitution started with 395 articles. Later on, it has shifted to now 440 plus articles, and still the amendments are going on. Means the changes are going on. As an individual, we will have more number of plans. As the time passes, what we are doing, we are going to upgrade our plans to get a better results. So independence and republic are, if you correlate those things in your life, you'll get success in your life. So for all the students, I suggest that to have a plan in your studies, how to get good marks, how to be a good individual. We as a management, our staff members, and as a principal, myself, we are guiding our students in the right way to get success in their life. Thank you. Once again, thank you. One and all.